Welcome back to my channel. Today in this project I will show you how we can control two servo motor using a joystick and Arduino Uno. You can use either Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega or Arduino Nano, or you can use any other microcontroller to do this project. So I already make one video that what is a joystick and how it works in the previous video, and you can check the link below. So basically this joystick, analog joystick, there's two potentiometer and one text switch, and so the inner part, that is the mechanism. So you can twist, you can push a left and right. This will control to variable resistor. So basically this is a variable resistor, and we'll see here there's a 5 pin which is the output, and one ground, VCC which for 5 volt, and VRx which is for X axis, and VRy Y axis, and SW is for the switch. Project is very simple. You can use this project for robotic arm and a camera bands and a drill system or radar project and any other application you can try to use. So it's very simple. What part we will need is of course Arduino Uno and two servo motor. You can use any servo motor and a joystick of course, and of course we will need a jumper wire. So let us connect. So at first we're going to connect joystick ground to Arduino ground, and a joystick 5 volt to Arduino. We're going to use joystick to Arduino 3.3V. X-axis we connect to A0, Y-axis we connect to A1. So the joystick to Arduino is already complete. Servo motor we're going to identify which was a VCC and which one is ground and which one is a signal. So for servo motor, orange is signal. So orange, the signal, I will connect to digit pin number 9, and the other signal from the other servo motor signal is white color. So white servo signal connect to digit pin number 10. And now is we're going to take the power from this Arduino. So servo motor required to have a 5 volt. So both are 5 volt. So we're going to take one power source from Arduino 5 volt. So I make jumper wire link to one input and two output. So one 5 volt we share to both servo motor. So I get a 5 volt from Arduino directly here. In case if your servo is didn't move, that means sometimes the current from Arduino is not enough. So we need to have a separate power supply. So the VCC is red color here, and the VCC is red color here, and the ground. And the ground cable also I link here. One ground we share both. So the ground, Arduino ground we share to one servo and the other side of the servo. Okay, so the connection, everything is complete. Let us upload the code. Open Arduino IDE, and here I have one very simple code. This to control these two servo motor, and from here we need to select Arduino Uno and directly upload the code. Done upload. So let us try to control this servo. So right now the position of the joystick is in the middle, so the servo didn't move. If I move, and this servo is control. If yeah, so here's left and right, up and down. So this is the way how we can control those two servo motor. Alright, so this is very simple and it's fun that we can control two servo motor using this Arduino Uno. If you think this video is helpful, please support me to like, subscribe, and share. And you can ask anything in the comment below. So if anything that you want to know, then I can answer on your comment.